Why don't travelers get bored? Because they always have a trip up their sleeve. Yes, that's right, folks. Travelers are the ultimate magicians, turning long layovers into adventures. Speaking of trips, today we're talking about solo traveling. First, always plan ahead. The key to a smooth, enjoyable solo adventure is in the planning. It helps you dodge those pesky unforeseen situations and keeps the stress at bay. Remember, a well-planned trip is a well-enjoyed trip. Second, keep your belongings secure. Imagine losing your passport or wallet. It's like losing the key to your adventure. Not fun, right? Tighten up that fanny pack, secure that backpack, so keep your things close and your trip will be even closer to perfect. Third tip, stay connected. It's crucial to keep in touch with your loved ones while you're exploring the world. Their words can be your safety blanket and their knowledge a comfort. Remember, you're a solo traveler, but not alone. Stay connected to stay safe. Fourth tip, dive into the local culture. Immerse yourself in the customs, cuisine, and conversations. This is where the magic happens, where memories are made. It's an experience that truly enriches your journey. Remember, to travel is to live, so live like a local. Last but not least, enjoy your own company. Embrace the freedom of solo travel, the opportunity for self-discovery, and the joy of self-enjoyment. Use this time to reconnect with yourself and your interests. After all, the most important person on your trip is you. Before we say goodbye, here's one for the road. You ever wonder why solo travelers never feel alone? Well, it's because they've got their trusty selfie stick by their side. Don't forget to drop your travel tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Safe trip.